Welcome back, guys. In today's video we are going to add another tool in our agent. We are going to add Gmail tool. So basically our agent will have another capability to read the Gmail, to send the Gmail to the specific person, and different things. So to integrate that, first of all you have to come to this documentation. You maybe type LangChain Gmail Toolkit. So it will open this documentation, and to do the setup I will simply click Gmail API and it will open this page. So it is saying you need to create the desktop app. So if you are following the series, you don't need to create the desktop app again. In previous video we have created the desktop app, so we just need to add the scope of Gmail in our code. That's it. So we will see that how to do that. So first of all you need to download the mandatory libraries like this one, pip install LangChain Google Community Gmail. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So in previous video we have added calendar toolkit, so we'll follow the same pattern. First of all we'll add the Gmail toolkit here, and after that we'll integrate that Gmail toolkit to our agent in our actual code. So first of all we are going to test here either it is working or not. So let me just copy the mandatory libraries and I will paste here. So as previously we have import calendar toolkit, we simply import Gmail toolkit also. We have imported build calendar service and get Google credentials, so these will remain same. And we have also added build Gmail service, so it is the new one. Let me run it. Now we have to add the scope. Let me copy and paste the code here. So previously we have added only one scope, that was calendar scope. So in today's video we are going to add calendar and as well as Google mail.google.com. So we are going to add two scopes. So before running this lines of code, first of all you have to come to your project and you need to delete this token.json first. In previous token.json there was only this one scope, so we are going to create the token.json again with these updated scope. After running this code it will ask for the authentication, so you need to authenticate from the same Gmail, the Gmail you have previously used to build the desktop app. And after running this code you must open your token.json and you can check in scope there must be calendar and mail.google.com. If these scopes are not there in token.json, you maybe ask from the ChatGPT or maybe take help from these two documentations. Here we call build Gmail service and we pass the credentials, and we call this Gmail toolkit class and pass the Gmail resource. And here we have the tools. We will simply type Gmail toolkit.get tools. So let me just run it. So if we want to print the tools, so let me run these. So for t in tools, print t.name. We have create Gmail draft, send Gmail message, search Gmail, get Gmail message, and get Gmail thread. Okay, now we have the tools. Let's integrate with our agent. First of all I have updated the prompt. So in tools I have added these tools, and these will remain the same, and other prompt will remain the same. It is the prompt, and it is tools.py. Here we need to add Gmail toolkit, so I will copy and paste Gmail toolkit, and then we need to add build Gmail service. So we need to import build Gmail service, and we also need to change our scope. So let me just copy the code and I will paste here. So we have added another new scope. It is the calendar resource. So similarly we need to add the Gmail resource. I will paste the line here. We have calendar resource and Gmail resource also. To build the calendar service, we need to call this build calendar service, and for Gmail we need to call this build Gmail service. And similarly we need to add the Gmail toolkit, so and we'll call the Gmail toolkit class, this one, and we'll pass Gmail resource instead of calendar resource. And then we simply create the tools, so its name will be Gmail tools. So these are calendar tools and these are the Gmail tools, and other code will remain the same. We simply add static Gmail tools, that's it. So let me just save, and we don't need to change anything else. It is our tools, it is prompts. Let me just save it, and let's run our agent. Okay, now let's give a task to our agent. So I am saying create a draft email to Ahmed about tomorrow's meeting. Ahmed's Gmail account is this one. Let's execute it. So it is calling the create Gmail draft tool. So it is saying I have created a draft email to Ahmed about tomorrow's meeting. So it is my Gmail. Let's check the drafts. So it is not here yet. Let me refresh. So yes, it is the meeting. It has created the draft ahmed@gmail.com. Subject is reminder meetings tomorrow, and it is the message. Hi Ahmed, I hope this message find you well. I want to remind you about our meeting schedule for tomorrow, and blah blah blah. Okay, good, means it is working fine. So let me just delete it. Now let's ask another question, like or maybe say something, send an email to example@gmail.com saying the report is ready. It is calling send Gmail message tool. Now let's come to our send. Is the message. It has successfully sent the message. The report is ready, even though this Gmail account does not exist. Means our agent is working quite well. So yes, that's it guys. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you guys in next video.